Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a full review of the new Olens Nella collection review. So I have all three colors. It features three colors. So we have ash grey, ash olive, and ash beige. The diameter for this one, in terms of the graphic, is actually 13.3mm, so it's leaning a little bit towards the enlargement side. The whole concept of this whole contact lens is trying to give you this really realistic eye look on your eyes. No matter what colors you have, it's going to have like this color changing effect that just, you know, like somehow just absorb into your natural eye color to create this like realistic eye color for you. And so I definitely agree because I am loving this already. In terms of the pattern, all of them have very similar pattern where they have like this really nice medium thickness of a border on the outer part, which really reminds me of the Vivi ring but less pixelated. And going in, you see more of this like very clear, opaque, a little bit translucent but bright pattern on the inside as well. Let's get started with the first color, ash olive. Ash olive, just like the name, is like an olive color, but I feel like this is much more of a lighter apple green olive for me. It looks really bright on my eyes, which I absolutely love. I think it's gorgeous. I think it really gives you that sexy smoky look, hence why I created the smoky eye look today, because I noticed a lot of the models were doing this whole like smoky eye look for this contact lens, and I think the pairing for that is like perfect. So this olive one, I find this quite unique because I feel like this border doesn't really look like a dark grey for me. It looks like a combo of a dark grey and an aqua blue color, depending how you look at it. And I totally agree when it says it's like color changing, because the more I look at this contact lens, I just see green, I see blue, I see grey, I see a little bit of brown. I just find this very, very unique. Second one is ash beige, and when I put this on, I was like, oh my god, I'm in love because I love this. The way I see this is like a brighter version of my Vivi ring brown. So my Vivi ring brown, I love it. It's like my OG. It's like very subtle but give me the enlargement. Everything about it is just perfect, from the pattern to the color, the enlargement. Everything is great for that Vivi ring. But I think if I want something more brighter, something more like, you know, like oomph, like on your eyes, I don't know how to explain, something that just amplify the whole look, I would go for this ash beige, because I feel like this ash beige is actually really beautiful. Definitely have that ashy tone towards it. Last but not least is the one I'm currently having right now, and I'm going to use this for my family photo shoot with my baby. Hopefully I get the photo and can show you guys here. Anyway, this one, ash gray, and when I saw this, I was like, oh, this is so great. This is what makes me want to try this Nella collection when they were releasing the model with this ash gray color. It's just gorgeous. However, I did notice on my eyes, it tends to lean towards much more of a darker gray rather than that lighter, cooler gray that I expected a little bit more. However, I just love the finish of it anyway with the smoky eye look. It's just gorgeous, and I think because of how the border is dark and the inside looks dark on me, it somehow just blends really nicely. So like the border doesn't actually look as obvious compared to the other two. However, I still love it a lot. When it comes to my ranking, I would say my first choice would be the ash beige, second choice would be the ash gray, and the third choice would be ash olive. So overall, I'm actually really happy with this contact lens because I feel like it definitely gives this realistic look where it really creates this pattern that, you know, if you guys have lighter eye, you guys would see it more on your eyes, where you have all this vein looking like lines in your eyes and stuff. Those kind really do emphasize on this contact lens, whereas my original dark color, I don't see much more of that obviously, but I feel like putting this contact lens on, I really feel like I have like European eyes, which I think is actually gorgeous. So if you guys are wanting to try, definitely give this one a go because I think it is really, really great. Currently they only have this in 1 month, so I'm really hoping that they do sell this in daily, because I would be stocking up the ash beige one a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below if you guys have any questions, and I have some exciting Olens videos for you guys coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. But see you guys.